This is a journey of turning your ideas into reality. Whether you're struggling to come up with ideas, articulate them, or execute them, there are steps you can take to reach your goals. Ever since I can remember, I've wanted to make a living doing what I love. My family, teachers, and even online influencers pushed me down different paths, so I followed their advice. I went to college, but after 5 years and countless creative side projects, I realized it wasn't for me. I learned to code because it seemed lucrative and dropped out of college to take a $55,000 a year job as a web designer. But the goal of doing what I love for a living never left my mind. Personal projects kept me sane through it all. When overwhelmed or anxious, I realized it was usually due to psychic entropy, a state of mental chaos. To counteract this, I focused on projects that brought structure to my mind. A project could be anything: a relationship, personal health, or a business venture. Currently, my projects include developing Cortex, a second brain software, and Cortex University, an educational platform for creators. I'm also promoting my book, planning another, and working on my fitness goals. Why share all this? Because I learned not to take advice from those who hadn't achieved what I aspired to. Most people don't realize the importance of personal projects for creating their desired future. If you don't spend time building your dreams, you'll spend your life building someone else's. 10 years ago, my mindset was to monetize any of my passion projects. I knew it might take years, but skill acquisition and experience would increase my luck. The secret to my success? Writing. Writing is the meta skill that breathes life into all other skills. It's how you capture, hold, and convert attention in the digital age. Online writing isn't about waiting for traditional publishers. It's about publishing where the readers are, on social media platforms. This approach leverages feedback loops to refine and improve your work quickly. Instead of waiting years for feedback, you get it immediately and iterate on your ideas in real time. To succeed in online writing, you must consistently generate and publish ideas, get feedback, and analyze what works. Platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium are great starting points. Avoid starting on a blog or website without an audience. Instead, use platforms with built-in audiences to build your personal brand and grow your reach. 3 main models for monetizing online writing include advertising, paywalls, and services. The advertising model requires a lot of attention, but can be volatile. The paywall model involves charging for premium content, like newsletters or courses. The services model includes offering writing as a service, such as ghostwriting or copywriting, which can be highly lucrative. Nicholas Cole's journey illustrates these principles. Starting as an online writer, he built a personal brand, gained a large following, and monetized his writing through various channels. By embracing the rapid feedback loop and leveraging social media, he became a highly successful writer. Writing is the key to communicating and articulating your thoughts. It's the medium through which you can share your ideas with the world, build an audience, and create the future you desire. Whether you're starting with tweets or newsletters, the principles remain the same. Focus on generating ideas, getting feedback, and iterating on your work. With persistence and strategic effort, you can achieve your goals as an online writer. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out my book, The Art of Focus, available on Amazon in Kindle, paperback, or audiobook versions. For those outside the available regions, it will soon be on my website. Embrace writing and let it transform your life and career.